Stop scrolling. If you've been trying to make money with AI, all you've heard is start a faceless YouTube channel or sell AI art on Etsy, then this video is for you. I'm about to blow the lid off the overhyped, saturated AI side hustles that everyone is talking about. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you 5 genuinely underrated, profitable AI businesses that almost no one is discussing. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They are real business models that you can start today, even as a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, actionable plan to launch your own AI side hustle. Let's get started. So, why is most of the advice you see about making money with AI completely wrong? It's simple: saturation and low barriers to entry. When a guru tells you to sell AI-generated t-shirt designs, thousands of other people are hearing the exact same advice. Suddenly, you're competing in a massively overcrowded market where everyone is using the same tools to create similar products. It becomes a race to the bottom on price, and your chances of standing out are slim to none. The real money isn't in following the herd, it's in finding the gaps the herd hasn't noticed yet. True value comes from solving specific problems for specific people, not just generating another pretty picture. The methods I am about to share focus on providing high-value services that businesses and individuals are actively looking for and are willing to pay a premium for. We're moving beyond the generic and into the specific, where the real opportunities lie. Alright, let's dive into the 5 underrated AI side hustles. Number 1. AI-powered niche newsletter creation. Forget broad topics like tech news. Think hyper-specific. For example, a weekly newsletter for vintage guitar collectors that uses AI to scour the internet for new listings, auction results, and historical articles. Or one for vegan bakers in London, curating new recipes, ingredient deals, and local events. You use AI as your research assistant to gather and summarize information that would take a human hours to find. You then add your own curation, voice, and personality to make it unique. You can monetize through a small subscription fee, affiliate links for relevant products, or sponsored placements from niche businesses. The key is specificity. The more niche you go, the less competition you have, and the more valuable your content becomes to your dedicated audience. Second on the list is becoming an AI integration consultant for small businesses. So many local businesses think dentists, plumbers, local cafes are hearing about AI but have no idea how to actually use it. They don't have time to learn about custom GPTs or automation workflows. That's where you come in. You're not building the AI, you're the bridge. You can offer a service where you analyze their daily operations and implement simple AI solutions. Side hustle number 3 is creating personalized AI-generated storybooks for kids. Parents love personalized gifts. Imagine a service where a parent provides their child's name, favorite animal, and maybe a best friend's name. You use AI to weave these details into a beautifully illustrated, unique story. You can use tools like Midjourney for the illustrations and a language model like Claude or Chat for the text, but you're the creative director. You ensure the story is coherent, positive, and high quality. You can sell these as digital downloads or use print-on-demand services to ship physical copies. This goes way beyond just putting a name on a generic book. Each story is a one-of-a-kind creation, making it a premium product that parents will be excited to buy. Fourth, and this is a big one, AI-enhanced content repurposing specialist. Businesses and creators spend a ton of time and money creating one big piece of content, like a podcast episode or a YouTube video. But they often fail to maximize its value. As a content repurposing specialist, you use AI tools to take that one piece of content and explode it into dozens of smaller assets. You use AI transcription services to get a text version, then use AI to pull out key quotes for Twitter, create summary bullet points for a LinkedIn post, write a blog article based on the transcript, and even identify short, punchy clips for TikTok and Reels. You're essentially a content multiplication machine, and for busy creators and marketing teams, this service is pure gold. Finally, number 5 is offering AI-powered market research for startups. Startups and small businesses need to understand their market, but professional market research reports can cost thousands of dollars. You can offer a more affordable alternative. Using AI, you can analyze competitor websites, scrape customer reviews from platforms like Amazon or G2, and analyze social media conversations to identify trends, customer pain points, and market gaps. You then compile this AI-gathered data into a clean, easy-to-understand report with your own human analysis and strategic recommendations. You're providing high-value business intelligence at a fraction of the traditional cost. making you an invaluable asset for any new venture trying to find its footing. So you've heard the 5 ideas, but how do you choose the right one for you? It comes down to a simple formula: passion plus skill plus market need. First, what genuinely interests you? If you love writing and storytelling, the personalized storybooks or the niche newsletter might be a great fit. If you're more technical and love solving puzzles, the AI integration consultancy could be your calling. Don't just chase what you think is most profitable. Choose something you'll enjoy working on, because that's what will keep you going when things get tough. Second, what skills do you already have? Maybe you're not a tech wizard, but you're great at sales and talking to people. The consultancy role would be perfect. Or maybe you have a great eye for design, which would be a huge advantage for the storybook hustle. Finally, do a quick validation of the market need. Go to platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn and see if people are looking for these services. Join a few small business Facebook groups and see what problems people are complaining about. The sweet spot is where your passion and skills overlap with a real, tangible problem that people are willing to pay to have solved. Ready to take action? Here's a simple plan for beginners. Step 1. For the next 48 hours, just play. Pick one of the side hustles that excites you and spend a couple of hours experimenting with the free AI tools available. Don't try to build a business yet, just get a feel for what's possible. See what you enjoy. Step 2. Create a one-page business plan. And I mean one page. Who is your ideal customer? What specific problem are you solving for them? How much will you charge? Keep it simple. Step 3. Create a minimum viable offer. Don't build a fancy website. Just create one example of your work, one repurposed content package, one page of a personalized storybook, or a sample market research summary. Step 4. Find your first client, for free if you have to. Offer your service to a friend or a small business in your network in exchange for a testimonial. This builds your confidence and your portfolio. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to start. Momentum is everything. So there you have it. 5 real, underrated AI side hustles and a clear plan to get started. Don't just be a consumer of AI, become a creator and a problem solver. The opportunities are massive, but they won't wait forever. If you got any value from this video, please hit that like button, it really helps the channel out. And for your call to action today, I want you to comment below with which of the 5 side hustles you're most excited to try. I'll be reading and replying to as many comments as I can. Let's build a community of action takers. Now go out there and build something amazing. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense guides to building your future.